path and walk into your life. Some stay a while, some come and go. Some teach you lessons on the way. But if you're fortunate enough, you meet the man they call one of a kind. He makes the world a better place. Peace, love, respect, and positive vibes. He makes the world sing. One love. When he move, he bring everything. He lives a life with no regrets. He can see through you. Brings out the best in who you are, like he always knew you. And be your friend forever. No matter from where you come, no matter who you are. He'll make you feel right at home. He'll leave a brand upon your heart. He'd give you all that he got for nothing in return. You'll never forget his love, his soul outshines the brightest star. Ooh, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. There'll come a time when he must go, 'cause someone has a bigger plan for him. Now it's his turn to ride that wave.